Hi, you can call me XYZ, and I like nature a lot. That's all you really need to know about me. Bye. Hey, my name's Nova. I'm just an ordinary, shy, and sensitive, happy lynx. Sorry if I'm not interesting enough for ya. Bye. Hi, my name is Blue, and I hope we can be friends. I have lots of friends. Do you like muffins? I love muffins. I'm gonna go get some. See you later. Bye, new friend. Hello, I'm Velvet, and I'm a half-dead cat. Don't ask why I'm half-dead. It's a touchy subject. I'd like to think that I'm sweet and nice, and I like bones. My dad wants me to be more like my brother, Reaper, but that means I'd have to kill. So sorry, Dad, but I want to be a good cat. See you later.